Hi there, I'm so glad you're here today. In this video, I'll show you 7 easy ways to use AI tools in your everyday life. We'll go slow, step by step. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It simply means smart computer help. AI can answer questions, solve problems, and make life easier. You do not need to be a computer expert. If you can use a phone or tablet, you can use AI too. There are a lot of AI tools. The AI tool we use today is called ChatGPT. It's free and very easy to start using. You can find ChatGPT by typing chatgpt.com in your internet browser bar. Today, I'll show you 7 simple ways AI can help you every single day. Way number 1. Asking questions. Need an answer? Just ask AI like you ask a helpful friend. For example, you can type in the prompt bar of ChatGPT, which can often be found in the middle button of the screen. What's the best time for seniors to take a daily walk? Then press the send button. And look, instant answer. It's like having a helpful assistant right beside you. If you find the answer given to be too generic, try to describe the question more specific for your situation. For instance, by adding the country you live or limitations in your time schedule. Way number 2. Help with writing. AI can help write letters, emails, birthday cards, and notes. For example, write a thank you note to my neighbor for helping me. Type this request in the ChatGPT prompt bar as you did the last time. Then press the send button. Beautiful! AI wrote it for you. You can copy it, change it, or send it right away. Again, if you find the answer to be too generic, describe more details of the specific situation or expectations in the request. Way number 3. Planning your day. AI can help you organize your time. For example, make a simple daily schedule for a 65-year-old. Type this request in the ChatGPT prompt bar as you did the last time. Then press the send button. And there you go. Easy, clear, and helpful. Also here, if you want the answer to be more suitable for your situation, describe your situation more specific to ChatGPT. Way number 4. Easy recipes. Don't know what to cook? AI can help. For example, give me a healthy dinner idea. Yummy! Now you have a recipe with ingredients and simple steps. Once again, if you want a recipe more suitable for your specific situation, describe the request to ChatGPT more specific. Way number 5. Understanding difficult things. AI can explain things in simple words. I will give you an example. Explain gardening for beginners. As you can see, no confusing words, just clear answers anyone can understand. Way number 6. Translating languages. AI can translate words, sentences, and even full messages for you. For example, translate thank you for your help into French. And just like that, AI gives you the answer in seconds. Very helpful for travel, messages, and learning new things. And the last one, way number 7, personal everyday help. AI can help when you need ideas, advice, or support during your day. For example, what can I do when I feel lonely? AI may suggest calling a friend, taking a short walk, listening to music, or joining a local club. See how simple this is? AI is not here to replace people. It's here to help make daily life a little easier. Let's quickly remember the 7 ways we just talked about, as I can imagine it can be overwhelming for you. Number 1, ask questions. Number 2, write emails and notes. Number 3, plan your day. Number 4, find recipes. Number 5, understand difficult things. Number 6, translate languages. And number 7, get everyday help and ideas whenever you need them. And remember this, you do not need to be a technology expert to use AI. The most important thing is simply trying one small step at a time. Soon, using AI can feel as normal as using a telephone or television. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope this video made artificial intelligence feel a little less scary and a lot more useful. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who may enjoy it too. And don't worry, I'll keep making simple step-by-step videos to help you feel more comfortable with technology. Take care, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.